Hey guys, it's Paul, Z1 Army Commander-in-Chief. Am I calling myself that? I don't think I should. But I just want to do a quick video about inside the forum, inside the Z1 Army. If you've got any questions, what I'm finding is I can do introductions to each app. That makes sense. I'm not sure it makes sense for me to do install for each app or some basic stuff on, because inside Zoho itself they will tell you how to do it. So it's really asking your questions. What can't you find? What are you looking for? There's obviously things that I know that you might not know how to ask, and I'll keep creating videos on things that you might not have thought about. But if you've got stuck anywhere, or there's videos you can't find, or you're finding it hard to train your team, ask in the forum. Just log in and ask a question. All you got to do is new topic, type it in, and ask a question. And I'll create a video, or I'll share some information if it doesn't need a video. Or ask on this video if you're watching on YouTube. If you want to join the army, up the top there, it's $1 a month. I don't know if you've just seen on my video that, here we go. Oh yeah, that link doesn't go to the right place, does it? There's an information video where the army itself to join. If you've tagged me as your Zoho partner, then you are already in the army. So if you go to pnuk.com, Zoho partner, and if you click either the .com or .eu, what you will see, if you've already tagged me or you signed up with my affiliate links, you've already tagged me. So see here where it says Zoho One, PNUK Limited. That means you've already signed up. You don't have to pay for the army. Just send me a message, help@pnuk.com. If you click contact here, you'll be able to get to it. And I will make sure you get an invite and your team members get an invite because you are already tagged as a partner. If you haven't, then simply enroll. It is basically $1 a month. Plus tax, plus your local tax, sorry, so it's $1 plus VAT in the UK. Or there's an option to do $12 it's $10 a year. This is already adding on the VAT. It's actually $10 plus $2 tax. And again, this is added the tax as well. So this is actually $27. It's $27 for a lifetime membership plus tax. $10 for annual membership plus tax. $1 a month plus tax. So lots of ways you can join. Fire in, ask questions. What I'm finding is I'm sat here making videos that I'm kind of like halfway through the video and I think nobody needs this because it's just so obvious. But if it's not obvious, and sometimes when you've been doing it for such a long time, you forget what the beginner questions are, and I've jumped too far, or you're just stuck. Fire into the forum, z1army.com. Fire in to the forum, and I need to speed the forum up. I got an email off the developer saying I need to change a setting to make it faster. As I say, just go to ask a new question and a new topic, add new topic. Yeah, I've done something to break the forum. I think it's I had a forwarding thing where it's kind of trying to forward to itself. But if you go new topic and if you just go ask a question, how do I do this? Do you have a video on this? And we'll get you sorted, because I feel like I'm going round in a loop that you don't need me to go round in. So feedback, comments, all that sort of helps. What we're looking for is what people need, not me trying to make it up as I go along thinking what you need. It's better if you just tell me, I'm stuck on this, can you please help? Come and join the army. Everybody's welcome. See you soon.